Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The report was first published on our website Thursday, June 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell PowerShares QQQ Trust? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF with a 1.713 score, and our system has ranked PowerShares QQQ Trust by candidates since June 2, 2022. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for PowerShares QQQ Trust, our last headline reads, PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF price gained 2.44% on the last trading day, Thursday, June 2, 2022, rising from $306 to $313.47. During the day the ETF fluctuated 3.41% from a day low at $303.40 to a day high of $313.74. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 7.67% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -14 million shares, and in total, 51 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $16.10 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $280.21. Right now the price is 23.3%, or $95.24, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The ETF lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -15.20% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -23.50% and -10.21%. The 12-month trend indicates a -9.70% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -17.22% and 10.46%. This equals a price between $259.51 and $346.25 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for PowerShares QQQ Trust. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the ETF has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $302.10 and $312.27. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 24, 2022, and so far it has risen 9.13%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 47 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 94 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for PowerShares QQQ Trust. PowerShares QQQ Trust finds support from accumulated volume at $313, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $10.34 between high and low, or 3.41%. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 2.92%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. PowerShares QQQ Trust currently has a price-earning ratio of 4.13. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust meets first resistance at $318.48. If you do not hold PowerShares QQQ Trust shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust finds first level of support at $313, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $303.31, minus 3.24%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 6 days ago. Is PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 3rd, we expect PowerShares QQQ Trust to open down negative $3.27 and start trading at $310.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.